dress. I have no clothes. This doesn't work. Did you try magic stick? Here are your clothes. Smells so nice. Yay, my clothes!
What a weather! Hey, watch it, girl! Hey, Amelia! What are you doing here? I went shopping and I'm leaving now.
Oh no!
Hey Avelina, did you buy the eggs for the cake?
Yep.
Nice! Avelina, can you throw me an egg?
Okay.
Huh?
Are these eggs still good?
Of course they are. You just bought them at the shop, right?
Yeah.
Well, then it should be good. Just throw it.
Okay. Ew!
Huh?
Blue eggs?
It's slime, Avelina.
What? How is it possible?
That's really weird. The shop doesn't sell slime eggs. Did something happen, Avelina?
Yeah, I walked into Bad Amelia. She's so annoying.
Bad Amelia? Avelina! Look! That's not your bag!
It's Bad Amelia's!
Well, but if we have her slime eggs, then she has the real eggs.
Yeah, I'll go to the shop again to buy more eggs.
Yeah, and the real player was the slime eggs later.
Yay!
Hey! Did you get my present?
Yep! Happy birthday, Dad! I got the slime eggs that you always wanted. Here!
Ooh. Oh! They look like real eggs!
Yeah, they really do look like real eggs. I thought they would look more colorful.
They look so nice! I love them, thank you!
Wait, this is not my bag. This bag is Avelina's. But if this is Avelina's bag, then those eggs are real. Dad, don't bring the egg.
Huh? This is not slime! This is real egg! You pranked me!
No! I swear I didn't! Those are Avelina's eggs!
I don't like your pranks! I'm gonna get you! Hey! Where do you think you're going? Huh? Who rang the door? Huh? Hello?
Hi! I think these are your eggs.
My slime eggs! Thank you, girls! Bye!
Happy birthday! Bye!
I'm gonna show Dad. Dad, look what I found!
What is it?
Look, a bracelet!
Whoa! That looks cool!
Look how it looks on my arm! What? Did my bracelet do this?
Huh?
Where did we end up?
I don't know. I hear something. Let's hide.
Is this a Stone Age?
I don't know, but they remind me of someone. I want to go home.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll see what I can do.
Be careful. Psst. Do you see them? Where did they go?
Meow, meow.
Mama!
Nobody's here. I should get back to Dad. Oh no! The cave people got Dad!
Yum yum. Yum yum. Yum yum. Yum yum.
Nom nom! No, 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 no.
We don't have much time. What should we do?
It's all started with his bracelets.
Can I see it?
Sure.
Yes!
Bro.
Oh, that was close.
Yeah.
Shall we throw the bracelet?
Let's do that.
Okay.
Whoa! So beautiful!
Yum yum.
Yum. No, no, no! No sneezing and coughing in hands! All the germs are on your hands.
What?
Go wash your hands.
I've got an idea! Yeah! Cool!
Clean hands? Yeah. Okay.
Uh-oh. Yeah!
Huh? Ow, my stomach hurts. Mine too. Ow. Did you really wash your hands before eating? No. Oh no! I need to call the doctor. Doctor? Akim and Avelina are sick from not washing their hands before eating. Can you please come? Okay, bye! Doctor's on the way.
Doctor's here! Okay, let me have a look at your hands. Oh, you didn't wash your hands. And what about you? Uh-oh, also a lot of germs.
Can you do something about it, doctor?
Yes, you and you have to wash your hands right now. That's the way you wash it. More soap, more bubbles.
And you kids, do you wash your hands well? Make sure there are lots of bubbles.